Easilyconverted entered the digital and finishing market with a simple philosophy that they wanted to provide machinery that was of very high quality, extremely good price, delivery that you didn't have to wait months for, and product that would affect the businesses that were looking for a quick start on profitability on their label business. Easilyconverted has worked alongside Scott Labels to understand the label market, so that when we are asked the specific questions in relation to the label industry and how we can best affect their use of their manufacturing platforms, whether that be Flexo, whether that be digital, we are in a position to be able to talk from experience. So we've worked alongside Scott Labels, we've worked alongside our digital partners, which is obviously Konica Minolta. And I think in today's market, Konica Minolta digital labels are printed to an extremely high standard. So I think that the experience gained with working alongside those partners enables us to better inform the clients and help them make the right decision about the converting equipment they need. And we think that Easilyconverted can offer any label manufacturer a really good head start in that converting world and finishing world.
It's been a very, very good experience because you have to take into account, I think, a lot of things when you get into digital label printing, from the ultimate amount of investment, the money that you've got available to spend, what you're trying to do, what your customer base is. Really and truly, what I found in our label printing business is that 80% of what people require of regular digital label printing are multiple varieties of probably 2,000 and 3,000 labels. Bigger label printers are now using digital as a means of surpassing Flexo, and they could be using, inkjet technology. But fundamentally, digital for us has been a very effective means of making profitable the numerous short runs that is out there in the market, and doing it with Konica Minolta very, very cost effectively. We've had an excellent experience with a machine which is frankly incredibly easy to run. Anybody with basic computer knowledge can become a label printer, to be honest with you. You need a studio to obviously be feeding the machine. Further to that, we decided on the Konica because quality is a given, very, very reliable, high quality, very good colour matching systems, the capability to profile your press very simply with sort of a minimal amount of training. But what I see really is the reality is that the speed of a press is by no means the most important thing. Having said that, the Konica 230 press is an evolutionary model. It's now come up to running jobs very, very, very effectively at up to 23 meters a minute. That's very productive. Bearing in mind, obviously with digital, you press the button and you go. So there's no setup time. So with a machine running at that speed, you can be highly productive.